In this quick guide, I will demonstrate how to pair AirPods to Garmin. First of all, I'm using the AirPods Pro. I believe that you can do it with other AirPods as well. First of all, you need to make sure that the AirPods are in place. Then you need to leave the case open. You have here the back button. You need to press it until this white light will start blinking. Now the AirPods is in pairing mode. Let's head to the Garmin watch. We'll access the menu. I'm using the Vivo Active, so this is the mainly a touchscreen watch, but you can do the same in other watches as well. Here I have the settings. Then you need to look for sensors. You need to add new headphones. Now it will search for the headphones. You can see it found my AirPods. Now it will connect to the AirPods. You can see that the light now is orange, and we have the headphones. Now you can see it's connected. I do recommend that whenever you're not using the headphones, just turn this one off, and whenever you want to listen to music via your watch, turn it on again. It will save some battery life for the watch because it won't constantly look for the headphones all the time. That's it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.